Oh, say that for life,
Now here, Honourable Aponkye doesn't know what he intends to actually do. He intends to just give everything for free, and no one does that. And even an assemblyman doesn't even have the powers to do that, unless he has his own money to do that.
Let's talk about your policies.
Yeah.
What you're promising the people of Nimari Dukrum.
Wow.
Take me through them.
You know, we have, first one is 1 house, 1 biogas toilet.
1 house, 1 biogas,
biogas
toilet. And the second?
Second is free aboboya for sanitation.
For the area.
Motorcycle for the area.
Okay.
And then 3, free makaranta education.
But do they pay for Makaranta education?
Yeah, they pay it.
They pay?
You know, yeah, we have...
and when you become an assembly member, you will abolish that?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. We have Arabic and English in our constituency or our electoral area, which is they pay the teachers, and then the children also didn't pay money. But when we come to the Arabic, the Arabic teachers doesn't pay them.
Now, Nana Abba goes on to repeat all Honourable Aponkye is promising his constituencies.
Okay. So, 1 house,
pay.
1 biogas toilet,
Wow.
aboboya for the area,
sanitation.
for sanitation, to deal with sanitation,
is
free is it makaranta or makalanta?
Makaranta education.
Makaranta education, and what else?
And the free breakfast for every morning. I'm telling you.
It's laughable, isn't it?
No, it's impossible.
Free breakfast for every morning. I mean, who in the right sense, a learned person will never give free breakfast to everybody. He then goes on to laugh about it and says it's impossible. Of course it is impossible. Free job for the boys every day, 20 Ghana cedis salary. What the I mean, who listen to what he says after Nanaba asked him where he's going to get the money from.
Okay, it's impossible?
Wow.
It's impossible.
Like I'm gonna do it.
It's possible. You mean it's possible?
Wow, it's possible.
Okay.
Wow.
So free breakfast for every
morning.
Everyone in the constituency, every morning.
Of course.
1 house, 1 biogas toilet. Free makaranta education, free aboboya to deal with sanitation, and what else?
And then free job for the boys every day, 20 cedis for salary.
Where are you going to get that money from? From your barber shop?
No.
Where are you getting this money from?
So far as I'm in governor for now, I can go every center, every office of ministry or MP or NC.
Is that easy?
He goes on to say that Constitution has given him the right to eat breakfast provided by the government.
Yeah.
Is it that easy?
If it is not easy, the Constitution said that they should do it for me.
The Constitution says that you should be given breakfast every morning.
Of course.
Which part of the Constitution?
As far as we get the results, and everybody know we have this thing, we have elected, we have polling agents all over the polling stations. So they give us the results, and then the EC come out and declare that we never won the thing. Inshallah, we go to Supreme Court because we have the results. This is the result.